you a surprise too when we get the shirt.
Mama, how big an oven top now?
First time I've ever wore a bow tie in public. I almost didn't do it.
Is it the first time?
Yes, I've never wore a bow tie, and I almost didn't do it. I almost chickened out on that. I told Fallon going down the road, I said, I don't know about this bow tie. And then I got these boots on with these breeches that made me feel like I was in Bonanza days. I had a lot on me, folks. Whoa, you was a blur when you come by. How do you run that fast, Speedy Gonzalez? We don't know how he does it, everybody. Okay, now watch out well, that is what? How do you do it? I think it's because he does the wind up. Watch how he does this, everybody. Whoa, when you come by right there, we couldn't even see you, Speed. He's Speedy Gonzalez, everybody. Let's get some milk out of here. Do we want chocolate milk or white milk?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Daddy's gonna get white and you get chocolate. Shake it up so the cream all get mixed in there. There you go, Speedy. Milk break.
Supper time now, y'all. I'm making some hamburger steaks tonight. This was supposed to be the meatloaf recipe, but I'm changing it into hamburger steaks instead of a meatloaf because it'll be a little bit faster. And this was sort of a last minute decision. We were gonna go walk this evening. We kept thinking about it and thinking about it. Well, this afternoon. We kept thinking about it and thinking about it and thinking we were gonna go, and then we changed our minds and didn't go. So now it's a little later than I wanted to start cooking supper. So we're gonna make this smoky meatloaf happen faster and turn it into hamburger steak. So I'm doing exactly what I would have done if I was making it the meatloaf or as a meatloaf. I'm just doing it, you know, in small patties instead of a big meatloaf. And we're gonna cook them on the stovetop instead of in the oven. If you wanna make it the meatloaf, you just put all the ingredients together, and instead of, you know, frying them up like a hamburger steak, you would bake it in the oven at 375 for about 40 to 50 minutes, 45 to 55 minutes. So I cooked up some bacon to go in the green beans. I've already got those started. The rest of this bacon we're just gonna use to crumble over the top of the hamburger steaks. So it's just 5 of us here for supper tonight. With these hamburger steaks, I'm gonna make these hash browns, I think. The original plan for supper today was gonna be the pork chops and the cowboy caviar, but since Jacob and Tyler aren't gonna be eating with us, I'm gonna save that for, we'll probably do that tomorrow. Now I'm gonna do a couple of these just regular hamburger steaks, so I'll go ahead and shape those out, and then we'll mix in the stuff for the smoky ones. Sissy and Manly just want theirs regular hamburger steak, so I'm gonna go ahead and get theirs cooking, and then we'll add the rest of the stuff here for the other ones. So in the bowl we're gonna put 1 egg. We're gonna put a little bit of pepper and some salt. Right? Yeah. A little bit of garlic powder. And we're gonna dice up 2 of these peppers. We'll flip these 2 over here. Since me and Titus and Jonah like spicy foods, I'm not going to take the seeds out of these or anything, but you can do that if some people don't like it to be as spicy. These were pretty big peppers. I think I only need 1 of these. They're pretty big. Okay, we'll just put that in there. I forgot to put a little garlic powder in my beans over here. Shake that in real quick. Now, you can add breadcrumbs to this too. If I were doing the meatloaf version, I would add the breadcrumbs, but since I'm doing hamburger steaks, I'm not going to put them in. But I mean, even if you wanted to with hamburger steaks, you could. I'm just going to leave them out. We are going to put in, you can use just regular cream cheese, but I have a little bit of this chive and onion cream cheese spread left over, so that's what we're going to put in ours. Just about a quarter cup for the amount that I'm making here. And that's it. When we get this mixed in and these get done over here, well, I can go ahead and start adding these in. Some of this cream cheese might melt out though, so I'll probably just wait until those get done. They're almost done anyway. And then we'll start these. And when I get these going, I'll make the hash browns.
This looks interesting, and I'll tell you what, I've been out there working the horse, and I can smell it.
You could?
Yes.
Made you happy, didn't it?
Oh, yes. Western. That's good. Hash browns. Cheers. Mmm.